Yes, treatment of commission to a partner, right? Some points I will finish in online class, some points I will finish in my video lectures, right? So you have to go through my video lectures as well as for online class. We were doing fundamentals and we have discussed P&L appropriation account, capital account and current account formats, and we did two questions of P&L appropriation account and capital account, right? Today I am telling you treatment of commission to a partner, which is calculated same as in class 11th, which you had did in your previous class, right? Treatment of partners commission. Treatment of partners commission. This is same like manager commission in final account. Treatment of partners commission, right? When partner is entitled to a commission on profit before charging commission. Before charging commission. Before charging commission. अगर पार्टनर को कमीशन चाहिए उस प्रॉफिट की जो कमीशन काटने से पहले आया है, राइट? हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट? देन कमीशन इज इक्वल्स टू profit before charging commission into rate upon 100. Into rate upon 100. Profit before charging commission into rate upon 100. B. When partner is entitled to a commission of profit of your own profit, anything you can say, after charging such commission, after charging such commission, that commission is equals to profit after charging commission, profit before charging commission into rate upon 100 plus rate. Rate upon 100 plus rate, right? Partner is entitled to a commission of profit after charging such commission. Commission is equals to rate upon 100 plus rate. Is it clear? Is it clear? I am telling you this question, this formula, because in my next question this formula will be used, right? This formula will be used in next question, right? Let us do some question. Amal, Bimal and Kamal. Question is Amal, Bimal and Kamal. This is question number 54. Right? They are partners. Their capitals are 40,000, 30,000 and 25,000. It was decided that their interest on capital is 5% per annum. Amal would get a salary of 250 per month. Vimal will receive commission on net profit after charging such commission, and after deducting all of these, 10% of the profit should be transferred to reserve. We have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Amal, Vimal, Kamal portion, right? Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. This is question number 54 as per my book. By net profit, during the year 33,360. To interest on capital, Amal, Vimal, Kamal. Interest on capital is 5%. It will be 2,000, then 1,500, then 1,250. $4,750. Then salary, Amal salary 250 to 12, 3,000. Then there is no interest on drawings, right? Commission to Vimal. Commission to Vimal. What will be the amount of commission? Can you calculate the amount of commission? What will be the amount of commission after charging such commission? Can you calculate the amount of commission? You will subtract this from this, this from this. How you calculate commission? How you calculate commission? Is it clear? $4.100 crore, because it is clearly written in the question that Vimal will get a commission of 4% on the net profit after charging such commission, right? You can calculate Vimal's commission. What will be the amount? Let us go through the amount. commission will be 985. Commission will be 985. Right? Vimal commission will be 985. Is it clear? Vimal commission will be 985. Then in the question it is given, after deducting all of these, 10% of the profit transferred to general reserve. To reserve. $33,360, $33,360, ये सब माइनस करके जो आया 33,360 में से भी सब्ट्रैक्ट ऑल ऑफ दिस, उसका 10% विल बी ट्रांसफर टू रिजर्व. राइट? तो क्या आएगा? 24625. You will get 24625. इसका 10%. You can write 2463. You can write 2463 also. Right, or 2462? Right? The reserve will be 2462. How we have calculated? 33,360. Subtract all these items. You will get reserve of 2462. Is it clear? And how we calculated commission? Profit into rate upon 100 plus rate. Right? To profit transferred to Amal, Vimal, Kamal. Profit transferred to Amal, Vimal and Kamal. Divisible profit will be 22163. This will the amount of divisible profit. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any problem till here? Then 22163 will be divided among the partners in the ratio equally, in the equal ratio. Ratio will be equal. Right? ऐसे कर ले, राउंड ऑफ कर लें इसे। 7387 7387 7388। Right? Is it clear how we have solved this question? Is it clear? How will you treat this question? This is Amal Bimal Kamal's question that is given in your book. Right?